This is the lecture video for section 5.4, video 3. In this video, we're going to do one word problem. So really quickly, we're going to just quickly review the four formulas, identities for sine and tangent. So those four are the ones we're going to use today. The example we have is, suppose that A and B are angles in standard position. So we have sine of A equal to 3/5 in quadrant 1, sine of B equal to negative 12/13 in quadrant 3. And we want to find the following. The first one we're going to find is sine of A plus B. So to find the sine of A plus B, we need to know sine of A, cosine of B, cosine of A, sine of B. However, right now we only have sine of A and sine of B, so we need to find cosine of A and cosine of B. So for angle A, we're going to using the identity that sine square of A plus cosine square of A equals to 1, where sine square sine of A is 3/5. So 9/25 plus cosine square of A equal to 1. So cosine square of A equals to 16/25. So cosine of A equals to 4/5. In quadrant 2, so is positive. For angle B, we're still using sine square of B plus cosine square of B equal to 1. Sine of B is negative 12/13. So we got 144/169 plus cosine square B equal to 1. Cosine square B equals to 25/169. And cosine B equal to negative 5/13. It's in quadrant 3, so cosine of B is negative. So once we have everything, now we can continue to find sine of A plus B. By expanding it, which is sine of A times cosine of B plus cosine of A times sine of B. So we got sine of A 3/5, cosine of B negative 5/13, cosine of A 4/5, and then sine of B negative 12/13. So we end up with negative 63/65. The second question, part B, we want to find is tangent of A plus B. So to find the tangent of A plus B, I need to find tangent of A and tangent of B. So tangent of A is going to be equal to sine of A over cosine of A, which is sine of A is 3/5, and then cosine of A is 4/5. So we got 3/5 over 4/5, 3/4. Tangent of B, still the same thing, sine of B over cosine of B, which is negative 12/13 over negative 5/13. So we end up with 12/5. So tangent of A is 3/4. Tangent of B is 12/5. 3/4 times 12/5. To adding the 3/4 and 12/5, I need to find the LCD, which is 20. So 15/20 plus 48/20, which is 63/20. Three fourths multiplied by 12/5. I can multiply them across, but I want to simplify them first. So 4 and 12 will simplify to 3, so we end up with 9/5. Okay, 9/5. When I subtracting them, I will got -4/5. So 63/12 divided by -4/5. 63/20, sorry, multiplied by -5/4. Still the same thing. 20 and 5 can simplify it. So we end up with -63/16.